What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on GearTube TV, and today's an update on a couple different things, one of which being the rear bumper from Rock Hard 4x4. If you watched the install video, you know that I had an issue with the aluminum nut, and I reached out to Rock Hard 4x4. They had me measure and they were going to be sending a replacement. The date today is August 30th. It is 3:30 in the afternoon, and I am just pulling up my phone here to show you that we had an email exchange, and I'll give you some dates here. Should have already had this pulled up. Okay, we had 10 emails exchanged back and forth. June 9th is when they sent me my paid invoice, so that's June 9th. Let's see here. Next email, July 30th. Okay, this is when I reached out to them and said I have a problem with the aluminum nut. What can you do for me? July 30th, they said, or I'm sorry, July 31st, they said, got it, very odd, new nut is on the way. Okay, that was July 31st. August 8th, I reached out and said, could you provide an update on the status of the new aluminum nut? August 9th, I got a reply that says, let me see where it's at in shipping, be right back with you. After that, I reached out to them again on August 19th because I had not heard back. I said 10 days ago, I got the above reply regarding shipping a replacement, checking the status where it's at in shipping. I have not heard anything. August 19th, they replied and said, Jeff, it's shipping today. Major ball drop on our side. I apologize. That was August 19th. It's August 30th, and I still do not have a replacement nut. I'm not criticizing their business model because they were very responsive initially in getting this corrected. But I would think for the size of it, they could have sent it like UPS or that USPS SurePost, whatever that's called. And coming from the Midwest, you would think within 5 business days it would probably be here. Not the case, I still do not have it. So that's update number 1. However, what I did was a temporary fix because I wanted to get my spare tire mounted and my high lift jack and my CB antenna. So I rigged something up that would put pressure on those washers and put the aluminum nut that I had that wouldn't thread on more than 2 or 3 threads. And that was enough to put a little bit of pressure on those washers so it wouldn't bounce up and down. So I present to you a 98% completed Rock Hard 4x4 bumper. There we go. Ignore the tire shine over spray there. Full size spare mounted, CB antennas mounted, and the high lift jack. This here is the piece I'm waiting on the replacement of. This is the old one. It's only threaded on maybe 2 threads, if that. And then underneath, I don't know how well you can see it, there's a white piece of plastic. That white, sun's in your eyes. That white piece of plastic is actually the bearing for a steering shaft. When I did my steering shaft replacement, I ordered extra, and I had to use a, what do they call those, Dremel, and rounded it out a little bit and got it put on. So, temporary solution, I can at least drive my Jeep with a spare tire on it. Update number 2, by the time you watch this video, I will be starting week 2 of classes required for work. This is going to cause a leave of absence temporarily for GearTube TV. And by leave of absence, I mean no uploads. I have a 5-week class. It is Monday through Friday. When I get home on weekends, I have 2 kids, I have a family, and a yard to mow, and other responsibilities to take care of. So on my weekends off from class, I'm not really going to be able to put time in the garage and uploading videos. Why I'm telling you that is because I'm reaching out in an attempt to start something new. During the next couple months, I would really like GearTube TV to be a collaboration effort. And by that, what I mean is, if you have a YouTube channel, I would like to host a video of yours, maybe multiple videos of yours. And by doing so, you get exposure on my channel, and I would perhaps maybe get some exposure on your channel as well, because you could upload, you know, a video updating your subscribers about what you're doing. Excuse me. And really, I'm just looking for something to keep the channel going while I take these classes and finish up. The thing is it's 5 weeks of classes, but afterwards it's going to take me a couple weeks to get into the rhythm of being able to make videos again. So yeah, if you have any interest in that, leave a comment down below, reach out to me by email. I'll put my email address in the description. And if you're not interested in it, that's okay, I understand. But also what I'm looking for is someone to become an admin on GearTube TV on Facebook. And the reason for that is because while I'm busy with class and things like that, I'd still like someone to keep some posts going. It doesn't really pay anything because you don't make any income on Facebook. Now, as far as YouTube, if you provide a video for GearTube TV and it makes money, we can talk about how you're going to get paid for that. And you know, I'm not looking to really make money off of your videos. That's not my intention. What my intention is to make GearTube TV more well-rounded, more content, more automotive stuff, more racing stuff. If you race dirt bikes, if you race go-karts, if you race sprint cars, if you have a truck, if you have a Jeep, if you have four-wheelers, if you have an SUV, anything, really, any type of video. If you're new to YouTube and you just happen to come across one of my videos and maybe you want to try it, put together a video and you know, send me a message, send me an email, we can talk about it. Again, if not, that's totally cool, I understand. You know, it is what it is. So those are the updates. This was kind of a very boring vlog, but I told you I was going to have an update that was pretty important. So the important things are I'm still waiting on rock hard 4x4 and my class that I'm doing right now. So content's going to be few and far between. Looking for help, looking for people who want to collaborate, get a video posted on my channel, post a video on your channel, an admin for Facebook, so that way you could continue posting on Facebook and keeping things rolling there. And we don't have huge numbers, you know. On Facebook we have about 2,300 and some odd people that follow. On YouTube we have 3,000. What was it? 3,211. I don't know, 3,511, 3,000. Anyway, between 3,000 and 4,000 subscribers on YouTube as well. So if you're looking to get a little bit more exposure, this could be a good opportunity. You know, just think about it. Send me an email. We can talk. You know, if we start communicating, you want to talk on the phone, that's fine too. Gladly communicate about how we can do it, what you want to do, if it's good or not. If you want to send me raw video and when I can try to edit and get it posted, that's cool too. It's really up to you, you know. Just looking for some help and looking for people who are interested in maybe starting YouTube and just want to get themselves out there. So think about it, let me know. Hopefully everybody watched this long enough to get to that point of the message. And if you have any questions, of course, comment below, send me an email, whatever. You know, links are down below, merchandise, you know the drill. I hope everybody's doing well. It's approaching the end of summer, getting ready for September already. And again, I'm already in class when you watch this, so be kind of busy here for a while. But just want to keep you guys aware of what's going on so you don't think we just disappeared off the face of the earth. Oh, also, I want to show you something cool I got. Take you inside the Jeep here. Check out the dash plaque. I had these made. I have 100 of those, and I have 100 of the smaller ones. And I just think they're pretty cool. GearTube TV established 2017. Has our logo, has the Jeep. square headlights, take notice to that. Roll bar, kind of looks like our Jeep, doesn't it? So, all right guys, I've babbled long enough, so take care. Hope you're all doing well. Hit that subscribe button if you're interested. Send me an email, talk to me if you want to collaborate, and we'll get the ball rolling. Thanks guys, take care, bye-bye.